Why does your scanner show the P0431 engine code? What does it mean? P0431 is a diagnostic trouble code for warm-up catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 2. This error code indicates that the catalytic converter on bank 2 is not functioning efficiently, likely below the required 95% threshold. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: catalytic converter problems, oxygen sensor issues, exhaust manifold leaks, fuel delivery problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, Chevrolet Silverado, Audi A4, Audi A6, and Mitsubishi Galant. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.